So guys, how are you all doing? So in today's video, we're going to talk about MrBeast's earning platform where you can earn money by clipping. There will mostly be MrBeast videos for which you will have to create clips. The best part is you can create a separate channel for MrBeast content, upload those clips and earn money based on the campaigns. There will mostly be MrBeast videos for which you will have to create clips. The best part is you can create a separate channel for MrBeast content, upload those clips and earn money based on the campaigns. An RPM of up to approximately $1.50 can be seen on this platform, which is considered quite good. If you start early, you can also benefit from it being a new platform. First, open the website and sign in with Google. After that, you need to enter your date of birth in the correct format. Here, remember that you have to month first, then the day, and after that the year. The next step, choose the creator option because the business option is for people who run campaigns. Then you can set your name, username, and optionally a profile photo. After this, you will get the option to choose a country. Then you will be asked to connect your YouTube account. If you don't want to connect now, you can proceed by selecting Skip for now. Now the dashboard will open in front of you, where you will find Home, Ad Clips, Earnings, Submits and all other sections. Available balance, pending balance and lifetime earnings will be displayed. Currently, there are some active campaigns by MrBeast available here. Each campaign shows its own budget, payout percentage. Some campaigns may close if their budget is almost depleted. Once your clip is ready, upload it to your YouTube channel and then submit its link back to the platform. After receiving approval, your earnings will start tracking based on your views. It is mentioned that you can be eligible for payout after approximately 5,000 views, while the maximum earning and rules each campaign can vary. That's all. If you like this information, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment to let us know if you are going to try this platform or not.